Colcannon Potatoes. Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Healthy Hiccups. Today, we have something truly special for you. We'll be preparing the most popular Colcannon potatoes. So let's get started. Ingredients: 1 medium head cabbage, about 2 pounds, shredded. 4 pounds medium potatoes, about 8, peeled and quartered. 2 cups whole milk. 1 cup chopped green onions. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon pepper. 1/4 cup butter, melted. Minced fresh parsley. Crumbled cooked bacon. Directions: 1. Place cabbage and 2 cups water in a large saucepan, bring to a boil. Reduce heat, simmer, covered, until cabbage is tender, about 10 minutes. Drain, reserving cooking liquid, keep cabbage warm in separate dish. 2. In same pan, combine potatoes and reserved cooking liquid. Add additional water to cover potatoes, bring to a boil. Reduce heat, cook, uncovered, until potatoes are tender, 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, place milk, green onions, salt and pepper in a small saucepan, bring just to a boil and remove from heat. 3. Drain potatoes, place in a large bowl and mash. Add milk mixture, beat just until blended. Stir in cabbage. To serve, drizzle with butter, top with parsley and bacon. Colcannon tips. What other greens can you use instead of cabbage? Cabbage can easily be substituted with any heartier greens you have on hand. We recommend curly kale or Savoy cabbage, which is a crinkled, heartier green cabbage. Have extra hearty greens left over? Here are some additional ways to use that cabbage. What kind of potatoes should you use to make Colcannon? For the perfect Colcannon, choose what is categorized as a floury potato. They should have more starch and less water and produce a fluffier mash. In this case, russet or Idaho potatoes will be your go-to potato. Read our guide to using different potato types for all kinds of recipes. What can you serve with Colcannon? To really get the full experience, pair this with the traditional pork sausage Irish bangers. Colcannon is a great substitute for a mash, and it is jam-packed with flavor. This recipe also makes for a great base to our delicious Irish beef stew. Nutrition facts: 1 cup, 168 calories, 5 grams fat, 3 grams saturated fat, 14 milligrams cholesterol, 361 milligrams sodium, 27 grams carbohydrate, 6 grams sugars, 4 grams fiber, 4 grams protein. Diabetic exchanges: 2 starch, 1 fat.